I first met her in the lobby of a Colton hotel. I got to know her, thinking back to the days in my life. My heart breaks down, it seems just yesterday. Yesterday. Leilani, are you walking out the door? Are you walking out my life? Baby, are you walking out the door? You're the light of my life. Baby, please you're in my life. To be my wife. Baby, please. Can't you see? Can't you see? Yeah. You kept your love above ground, so I realized this love cannot go unfound. Baby, I can't keep away. Leilani, are you walking out the door? Walking out the door. Walking out my life. Baby, are you walking out the door? You're the light of my life. You're in my life. To be my wife. Baby, please. Can't you see? Can't you see? Yeah. I love the look ahead on your face. Give me a reason I had to cooperate, but yet and still I have faith. This flame is burning so fast. Burning so fast. Oh baby, I want this to last. The pleasure is mine. Me and baby. Leilani, are you leaving me, girl? Don't leave me, baby. Yeah. Oh baby, are you walking out the door? Leilani, are you going nowhere? Are you leaving out my life? Light of my life. Be my wife. Baby, can't you see? Love her back the same way. Can't you see?